So now plants will make the food, and they have air, water, and light. They take water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air and light from the sun with the help of chlorophyll. So it's time to prepare food for the plant, and then the prepared food will be during photosynthesis process and will be what? It will be glucose. Okay, so the prepared food will be glucose. Okay, so now it's time to watch this video and we will be back again. Now, let's see. There is another product in photosynthesis process. We say that plants will make the food which is called glucose. It's the food for the plant. Also, plants will produce oxygen gas. Plants will produce oxygen gas. And as you see in the animation, this green leaf, why it's green? It's green because it has chlorophyll in it, and it's responsible to absorb sunlight. So this leaf will have sunlight, will have light, and it will absorb water by the roots, and it will take carbon dioxide from the air. So it will make photosynthesis process, and then it will produce glucose, and the other product is what? Is oxygen gas. So two important products I have in photosynthesis process, they are glucose and oxygen gas. So I can put all this in a sentence, in an equation, which is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight will give glucose and oxygen gas. Okay, now I have a question for you. Which gas is used in photosynthesis process? It's carbon dioxide, okay? And which gas is released? Released, I mean get out or produced. Which gas is produced or released in photosynthesis process? It's oxygen gas, okay? So now, what is the importance of photosynthesis process? Why do we study photosynthesis process? Number one, photosynthesis process is important for plants in order to make their food, okay? So it's important for plants to make their food as we studied in the lesson. Okay, this is number one. Number two, photosynthesis process is important to maintain life on Earth. What I mean by maintain, I mean to keep life on Earth, okay? So, in other words, I mean plants are a main source of oxygen on our planet. Plants are main source of oxygen on Earth. Okay, so during photosynthesis process, as we said, photosynthesis process, plants will take carbon dioxide and will produce what? Will produce oxygen gas. So, oxygen gas that we breathe. So, plants are so important to maintain our life because it gives us oxygen that we need to breathe. Okay. Number three, plants through photosynthesis process produce glucose, and photosynthesis is in this process will produce glucose, and glucose is used for the growth of the plant. And after that, the rest of glucose will be stored in the plant, inside the plant, okay, in the roots and the fruits. Do you think we can eat roots and fruits? Yes, we can. So this become our source of energy. This become our source of energy as we can eat roots and fruits. What roots can we eat? We can eat roots like potato, okay? So we can eat roots and fruits, and this becomes our source of energy. Number 4 and last one in the importance of photosynthesis process, photosynthesis keeps our life balanced, okay? Now we finished our lesson, but to make sure that you understand, we will make a small quiz to make sure that you understand. Complete the following. What is the food that makes the plants grow? It's what? Think well. It's glucose. Yes, excellent. And which gas is used by plants during photosynthesis process? It's what? It's carbon dioxide. Yes, okay. And which gas is released? Okay, released means produced or get out during photosynthesis process. It's what? It's oxygen gas. So very good. And now we finished our lesson. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching, and I will leave you with this video. Thank you and goodbye. Released, okay, released means